Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This tutorial covers creating the New York W-2 e-file through eFile Direct. Once the file is created, it is the user's responsibility to upload the file to New York. To begin, the pair, ABC Payroll, has been created, and the W-2 form data has been entered. Make sure the W-2 state information in box 15, 16 and 17 has been filled out as needed. To begin, at the main menu, select eFiler. This is the eFiler menu. Select eFile Direct. Now, click OK. The eFile Direct options include Type of Form and Taxing Authority. In the Type of Forms section, select W-2. Next, select the Taxing Authority, New York. To continue, click OK. The transmitter information is the person submitting the file to Nebraska. You will need to contact Nebraska to see if they require a user ID. Fill out the necessary information. Leave the foreign country blank, if it is USA. Leave the optional transfer agent information blank. It is only used in federal e-filings. Click OK to continue. Next, check the pairs that are to be included in the e-file. Multiple pairs can be selected. For the tutorial, select ABC Payroll. Once all pairs are selected, click OK to continue. The global questions are very specific questions about federal W-2 e-filing. Select Do not edit special pair info at this time. Leave the default kind of pair as O for all pairs. Click OK. This prompt will display for each pair that has been selected. If multiple pairs were selected, answer the prompt for each one. Make sure to select Skip if the pair does not have any W-2 data. Otherwise, if no data exists, the process will abort. Click Process. At this point, the pairs and forms are being processed for any errors or warnings. If there are any errors, they must be corrected or the file will not be created. If you had other pairs to process, select Process More Pairs. This will take you back to the Select Pair screen, where you can select other pairs to include in the file. To continue, select Continue. Click OK. Now the file needs to be saved. The default location is the 1099 ETC program directory. The default file name is efw2.eft. Do not change the file name. The location can be changed. VTML speed. Click Save. If there are warnings or errors, please view or print the activity output. This report will list the warnings, errors, and their record numbers, so that the issues can be corrected. VTML speed view or print the transmittal report for the file location and name which is needed when uploading. At this point the file has been created, and it is now the user's responsibility to upload the file to New York. Select Continue, and click Quit. For further questions, please review the frequently asked questions on our website. Technical support can be reached by email, fax or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 etc. program. Have a great day.